Alright, so I'm gonna look at some products. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all can see what is out there, kind of look at the cost and everything like that. And then if I select anything, if I find something, then I'll show you like the final setup on how I will decorate it in my place. But yeah, so see you in the store. Tea time. Okay, we're going into At Home. Let's see what they have in here. So I'm looking for a vase, and I'm looking for a table lamp. And then once I find what I'm going to find, if I find something in here, I'm going to decorate it and see what how it looks in the space, and then I'll share it to my Instagram. My Instagram is ChrissyTeatime, and you can also find me on Facebook, Christina Holloman BA. Just keep a lookout, and I'll see what I'll do with it. But right now I'm going to show you the prices and see what they have to offer at Home, because Target today they really have too much, at least not in my location. Maybe it's different in other locations. All right, see you in there. These pumpkins, like, that is so adorable. Antique glass. How much do you want for this? $20. These pumpkins, even wicker pumpkins, crochet yarn pumpkin. God, I really like that. It's so pretty. Little tiny ones too. Only $4. Isn't that cute? So if you want to come and decorate, $5. Super cute. Look at this one. If this was your vibe, $16. That's because it has gold in it. But this one, I really like that. That's so cute. Like, that is so my vibe. My boys might break that though, but dang, I love it. I like this too. So I'm gonna look out for some good bar stuff too. One house again. I don't think they have any prices. $149. It's nice. $79. More modern. Like this. Leather. $59. Purse. Nice stools. The stools are in right now at the end of your coffee tables. It's like a vibe right now. Then sofas. Let's look at their accent chairs. That's good for an dining table, like a huge dining table. That'd be nice. Here's some accent chairs. You put 2 of those at the end of your coffee table. That's $149, $169, $149. So it's about $150 you're gonna spend on a accent chair. Like, these are cute. Like, I like that. And it's going to the office chairs. These are pretty. Mango wood, $20. You could put that on your coffee table. This is nice too. Doesn't have a price on it. So cute. $12. Oh, that's pretty. Spray. Like this. That's just a basic tray. This is nice. So cute. So these are pot warmers. I think they're so cute. $12. Pot warmers are air fryer. You know, you can sit it down so you don't mess your counter up, especially if you got like a marble countertop or something. Okay, so it was $22 for marble utensil holder. This is $12. This is concrete though. Let me see if there is a marble one. Oh, look what I found. These are so cute. $10. They're all so short though. Little fern. $15. That's in style right now, but it's so little. Isn't it cute? So you don't always have to use kitchen stuff for kitchen stuff. You can definitely put this on a big coffee table, traditional coffee table, only $20. The thing is huge. Look at that. So pretty. And then you have a marble lazy spoons on the top. These are my glasses. Just to cover your burners. I haven't decided. See, I need a tall vase. These are both so cute, but I need a tall vase. And I'm just not seeing it. Let's keep looking. Let's look in the so cute. 14. You walk down here. See, this is the tall base that I'm looking for, but it's not the style that I want. You know? Like, that's more of a style, but it's short. Like, it's too short. And $20. Let's hope I find what I'm looking for, guys, because I'm not seeing it. That's kind of cute. Guys, there's a lamp. It's giving me vibes, but it's not quite the shape. These are cute. These are restoration hardware style. Like $20. These are candle holders, $14. Definitely a rustic. It's got like a sandy type of feeling to it. Look at this, boy. That's good for a huge dining table. These are like student magazine vibes, $10. Yeah, you can paint that black. Call it a day. But it's just too tiny for me. These are also cute. Oh, Tracy Boyd. This is Tracy Boyd's products. Yeah, she got some good products. But I need tall vases. So I'm gonna keep looking. Some vibes here. It's only $14. And look at this wood and resin. Let's see how much this bad boy is. It's so pretty and it has like details in it. $44. Try to find that on like Studio McGee, you know, CB2, Pottery Barn, and I'm sure you're gonna be paying a whole lot of money. So I may have to come back for that, but it's so cute. I like that. I have to get my coffee too. Popular looking. Kind of see how big that is compared to my leg. It's only $34. They're beautiful. They have different color ones. But like, who's over the candle holder thing? I have one in my house. I'm not gonna front. But I don't know. I'm just not feeling it anymore. I gotta find this vase, guys. Is this my jackpot? Did I find it? Did I come across what I was looking for? I did see that online, but it is little, and I thought it was bigger than that. But it's okay, because these are all look so pretty. But I seen this, and this is kind of too skinny. It's only $17. Super cute. I like this too. It smells so good over in this section. I just don't understand. I wish I had some smell-o-vision. Let me see. Oh, is that her up there? That's so cute too. To have like more grayish black in it, but I'm not finding my vase, guys, so I don't know. Y'all tell me in the inbox, what do y'all think? You know, in the comments. I like that. Alright, guys, isn't this so cute? $49. This is cute too. Like that. Alright, we're getting to the lamps. So, table lamps. So I found the vase. I'm gonna spray paint that. It's only $39. So I'm gonna spray paint. Alright, guys, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you like shopping with me today. And once I decorate it, once I find out how I'm gonna decorate the table and how I'm gonna, oh, wait Wait a second, y'all guys. Look, there she go. That is her. That is her. $50. Oh my gosh. She's the only one there too. Guys, that's her. Oh my gosh, should I? See, I want to paint this vessel the same as that color. So I'm going to take pictures. Guys, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you like shopping with me today, and